Hey everyone, it's Kendra Kolb Butler here. I'm the founder of Alpyn Beauty, and I'm so excited to introduce you to something called Bounce Cream. This is a trampoline in a cream. It's Triple C Brightening Bounce Cream, and it was formulated to brighten the skin and also give you incredible amounts of hydration. A bounce cream means it's over 50% organic aloe, so it's aloe-based, not water. What do we layer into that? We're gonna add 3 forms of clinical vitamin C to really help brighten. And then we're gonna add nature's most potent form of vitamin C, something called wild chokecherry. Wild chokecherry grows in the mountains of Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and the pit of this cherry is so densely packed with antioxidants. It's also very polyphenol rich. You can use bounce cream morning or night. A little bit goes a very, very long way. If you use it in the morning, your makeup will layer on just beautifully. If you use it at night, make sure it's the last thing that you put on before bed. You will wake up with the most bouncy, elastic, and supple skin you have ever felt.